In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write the division sign in Microsoft Word. Writing mathematical symbols in Word, like the division sign, is simpler than you might think, and there are several ways to do it depending on your needs. Let's go through the easiest and most reliable methods so you can insert the division symbol quickly. Open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the division sign to appear. Then, the quick method is using a keyboard shortcut with the Alt key. Hold down the Alt key and type 0247 on the numeric keypad if you are on a Windows PC. Once you release the Alt key, the division symbol will appear. This method is great if you frequently type division signs and want a faster approach without opening the symbol dialog box. You can also use the equation feature if you are writing more complex mathematical formulas. Go to the Insert tab and select Equation or press Alt plus equals. In the equation box, type div and then press the spacebar. Word will automatically convert it into the standard division sign. This is especially useful for academic papers, reports, or documents that include multiple mathematical operations. Using these methods ensures that your division sign looks professional and matches the formatting of the rest of your document. Whether you use the Alt code or the equation feature, inserting a division sign in Word is fast, accurate, and reliable. By mastering these approaches, you can create polished documents with proper mathematical symbols, making your work look clean and professional every time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.